Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send email on ConvertBox form submission using SMTP by Pabbly. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from ConvertBox, then automatically by using that form submission detail, I'm going to send an email automatically to my user by using SMTP by Pabbly module. So SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transferring Protocol, and here for my objective, I have to build a connection between ConvertBox and SMTP by Pabbly. So here for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. So how we are going to use Pabbly Connect and how we can build this connection, for that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how we can send email on ConvertBox form submission by using SMTP by Pabbly. So here what I want is that every time a new user fills my ConvertBox form for the new inquiry or for generating new lead, then by using that form submission detail, we need to automatically send an email to that user that they have successfully submitted their form. And now for sending the email, I'm going to use SMTP by Pabbly module inside Pabbly Connect. Now by using SMTP, I can connect any mail service provider, and SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transferring Protocol. So we are going to do all this automatically by building this amazing automation with Pabbly Connect. And we are going to build this automation by building a connection between ConvertBox and SMTP by Pabbly without any coding and programming skills. Now for building this automation and for using Pabbly Connect, we need to first search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we just need to click here on the sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and it will take us to this page. So here these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here we need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send email on ConvertBox form submission using SMTP by Pabbly. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and it will take us to this window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and Action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be ConvertBox. So I'm going to select ConvertBox here, and now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead submission will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect ConvertBox with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I'm going to use this webhook URL. And this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between ConvertBox and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Now I need to take you to my ConvertBox account. And here this is my ConvertBox that I've created, and it is named as 3-space group. So I'm going to open this, and I'm going to edit my form in this box. So I'm going to click on Edit, and here this is my form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on these tabs, and I need to go to Form Settings. Now here in Form Settings, I will go to Actions, and here I need to first select my action. So for selecting my action, I need to open this tab, and I'm going to select this option of Go to Next tab. So this is going to be my action, and now I need to go to Integrations. So I'm going to go there, and here I need to add new integration. So I'm going to click on this button of Add Integration. And first I need to select my integration. So I'm going to open this tab, and webhooks will be my integration. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to give my webhook URL. Now here for the webhook URL, what I need to do is I need to paste my webhook URL that I've copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to paste my webhook URL here in this tab. Now I need to click on Add Integration, and I have successfully added my integration. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save. I need to click on Next. Again, I'm going to click on Next, and here I need to click on Finish. I will go to Dashboard, and I have successfully added my integration in this particular form. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to create a new sample submission by creating a form submission in ConvertBox. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my form. And here this is my form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this form with dummy details. So here my first name will be demo. My last name will be user. Email will be demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. So this is my random phone number. I'm going to give a street address. So my street address will be Old Street. I'm going to give a random postal code. I'm going to give a city. So my city will be Bhopal. And now I need to give a state. So my state will be Madhya Pradesh. So I have filled all the detail in my form. Now I'm going to click on submit. And I have successfully created this form submission. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my form submission. And here my state is Madhya Pradesh. This is my postal code. I have my random phone number. I have the first name of my user, that is demo. I have the last name, that is user. Email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. And I have my city, that is Bhopal. Address is Old Street. And this is my campaign name, that is 3-space group. So here we can see that I have received all these detail of my form submission. And as I have received all these detail of my form submission, what I need to do is I need to send an email by using SMTP by Pabbly to this particular user that they have successfully submitted their form. Now for sending the email, what I need to do is I need to set up an actions tab. And here I'm going to use SMTP by Pabbly. So I'm going to select SMTP by Pabbly here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And send email will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I need to connect SMTP by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. So for connecting SMTP by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect, I need to fill all these details of my mail service provider application. So here I need to give the host name, username, password, encryption type, and the port. So here I need to fill all these details of my application. So I'm going to fill all these details here. So here I have filled all the detail of my mail service provider. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. And I have successfully connected SMTP by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending the email, I need to fill all these details. So here first I need to give my from name. So here I'm going to give the name of my company. So my company name will be Pabbly. So this is my from name. And now I need to give a from email. So here I need to give the email address from which I want to send this email. So I'm going to type my from email here. So this is going to be my sender email. And now I need to give my to email. So here I'm going to give the email address of my user. And I have received the email address of my user from my response of ConvertBox form submission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that response. I'm going to map that email address here in this tab. So for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of ConvertBox. And here this is the email address of my user. So I'm going to map this. And now what I need to do is I need to first give my subject. So here my email subject will be, thank you for filling out Java course lead form. So this is going to be my email subject. And now I need to give the email body that I want to send as email to my user. So here for giving my email body, I need to give my HTML body of my email. And I need to use this for entering a new line. So here my email body will be, so this is going to be my email body. Now here what I need to do is I need to clear this bracket. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the name of my user. So for that, I'm going to open this response of ConvertBox. And here this is the first name of my user. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give a space and I'm going to map the last name, that is user. So I'm going to map this. And here I have mapped the name of my user. Now as I have mapped all these details here, so what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new form submission response from ConvertBox, then automatically I'm going to receive a new response of my form submission. And as I'm going to receive the new response with new details, then automatically the details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new details in the real time. So I have filled all the required details here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent this email automatically to my user by using SMTP by Pabbly. So to check this, let me take you to my Gmail account, and here on my email account we can see I have received this new email. So I'm going to open this, and here this is my email. So my email subject is thank you for filling out Java course lead form, and this email was sent to me by Pabbly. So here my email is dear demo user. So this was the name of my user that has filled my form. Thank you for taking the time to submit the new lead form. We have successfully received your response and we will contact you very soon. If you have any questions or need additional support, please feel free to contact us or call us. Thank you once again for your participation and support. Best regards, Team Pabbly. So here we can see that automatically we have received this email, and we have sent this email by using SMTP by Pabbly. So I have sent this email automatically to my user that has filled my ConvertBox form, and automatically I have sent this email by creating an automation between ConvertBox and SMTP by Pabbly. So here, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from ConvertBox, then automatically I'm going to send this email to my user that is going to fill that form in ConvertBox, and I'm going to send this email by using SMTP by Pabbly. So here my connection between ConvertBox and SMTP by Pabbly is working successfully, and here I've successfully created this automation. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we have created this connection between ConvertBox and SMTP by Pabbly for sending email on ConvertBox form submission. So whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from ConvertBox, then automatically I'm going to send an email to that user that has filled my ConvertBox form, and I'm going to send this email by using SMTP by Pabbly. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was ConvertBox, and my trigger event was new lead submission. Then I've set up my action step, and my action application was SMTP by Pabbly, and my action event was send email. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.